Ouch, that hurts. Oh, hello. I'm an old coconut seed rolling down that hill. I think I will need oxygen, water, and sun. This is just the right temperature for me, so I'm going to stay here. Do you notice that I have a outer skin, core, shell, a seed coat, kernel meat, embryo, and lastly, water inside. When the embryo push and open my seed coat, it will look like an egg hatching. Funny, right? I already germinated in this place. Then I can feel that I'm growing now. Wow, I am sprouted. I also feel that my roots are growing. You know, I have roots and leaves. As many weeks pass, I can feel my trunk is growing. Also, my leaves are getting bigger. As time flew, now I have flowers on my body. I also have beautiful leaves. I have female flowers and male flowers. They are pollinated by wind or bees. I'm so happy because it is almost my fruit coming out time. It's super exciting. Now I have coconut fruit. These are my babies. This is the end of my life cycle.